Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this tutorial, we will be going through with you on the features and structures of Google Classroom.
Firstly, type classroom.google.com on your browser and click enter. Next, enter your school email address. Click next. Enter your password. Click next and you will be able to access Google Classroom.
Now that you're in Google Classroom, you must be wondering what you should be doing next. Well, firstly, decide on the subject that you would like to access the resources for. Once you have decided on that, click on the Subject tab in Google Classroom. Now that you're in the Google Classroom of the specific subject that you have chosen, you will find that there are 4 tabs at the top. Click on the first tab, which is the Stream tab.
As you can see right here, the big main section is all of the different posts and announcements and big items that are coming up in the classroom. This is like what you would say is a Facebook feed where you will see chronologically all the different things or activities going in the classroom. The second tab is Classwork. Click on the tab Classwork. You will notice on the left side all the topics your teacher has created for the subject.
The first thing that you will see is the Subject Overview section. Under the Subject Overview section, there are 4 different tabs. The first tab is the Course Overview section. This will contain a brief information about the course. The next tab is the Expectations for Online Learning section. Here, your teacher will specify a list of important information that is expected of you for the online learning lesson.
The third tab will include your learning journey. This is a document that will contain information of the topics that will be covered on a weekly basis. The last tab will include the teachers included in the subject. Your lessons will be arranged in a chronological order. For example, in Lesson 1, the first tab is where you can access your lessons online. The second tab is where you must complete these activities before the start of the lesson. In the Learning Goals tab, they will contain a checklist of the essential learning for the lesson. You will be required to complete the Learning Goals survey at the start and at the end of the lesson. Access prior learning. In this tab, there will be an activity that your teacher will engage you in the start of the lesson. New learning will contain information and resources of the main concept that will be covered in the lesson. Learning activity 1 and 2 will contain assignments that your teacher has prepared for you. This may be in the form of a worksheet or a quiz. Optional activity. You will have a choice of completing these activities or not. Please take direction from your teacher in regards to this tab. Goal review is an activity that you will be required to complete at the end of the lesson.
The last tab is the Curriculum Focus tab. This is where you will find the essential learning for the lesson, the links to the curriculum, as well as the activities that your teachers have planned for that lesson.
On the top right, you will see people. In this tab, you can locate your teachers and you will see your classmates. The last tab is marks. You will not use this section as your assignments will be uploaded and marked on Shobi.